Installing statistical software R for Mac OSX. We will begin by opening a web browser like Safari and navigating to r-project.org. This will be the main website for the R project, and we will choose to download R. When selecting a CRAN mirror, choose from a location that is closest to you. For us, it will be here at the University of Toronto in Canada. We will choose to download R for Mac OS X and select the latest version of the R software. You can see the progress of your download in the top right-hand corner. Once the software has finished downloading, you will want to double-click on the downloaded package and follow the on-screen installation instructions. You will have to agree to the terms of the software license agreement, choose to install for all users of the computer, and finally click on Install. You will need your administrative password to allow for the installation of the software. Once the software is successfully installed, we can close this window and open the R software. In a Finder window, navigate to Applications and scroll down to find R. You have the option of using R or R64-bit. On newer softwares, R64-bit is recommended. This is the R console where we will type all of our commands. We are now ready to start using R.